And now we'll take a look at today's forecast. And for that, we welcome in Gerard Jebaily. Good morning, Gerard.
Good morning, Mitch. All right, so we have been tracking a couple systems today. The first one has been going through most of the northeastern part of the country since yesterday, really. And it started out as a big rainmaker down south, but now it is somewhat exiting out of the northeast, but we still have plenty of lingering moisture. So still seeing rain across everywhere from Richmond up to Boston, and the snow on the interior regions all the way down to parts of Kentucky and up through Maine. This has been kind of the pattern that we have been seeing. And now I think we're going to get even more into that pattern. Another system set up to do almost the exact same thing what we just got finished with. A new system will develop, especially across the Gulf states, and then move its way to the northeast. This is it right now. It's still way over here in the Four Corners region. Very small, not looking like much, but get ready. It's going to start firing up in the next few days. We get a little bit of a break in between systems here. So at least Dallas, Houston, New Orleans, while they were soaking all weekend long, you guys are getting some sunshine today. Still lots of clouds and chilly temperatures further north. Here comes that system diving down, likely going to begin across parts of Texas, and it's going to blow up into a big rainmaker everywhere through the southern part of the state. But notice where it's a little bit colder, we're getting that as snow. So North Texas Panhandle, even into parts of western Oklahoma, we're going to start seeing that change over. And then that system heads to the northeast. We'll see that split with the northern and parts of the northeastern side of the system getting the cold air with the snow, and then it's rain all the way south. You see the system continue its track off to the north and east. So there it is by around Thursday. So this one's going to be in the books, on the radar here for several days as we move through the week. The other part that we're going to have with it is actually a severe weather threat. This is going to be a level 3 out of 5 risk as we move through tomorrow. That's going to mean an increased tornado threat, damaging winds, and also some flooding here. I think the hail threat is still fairly low, but we're going to be watching for possibly a busy day for some tornadoes across parts of Louisiana all the way through the panhandles of Florida. Now, snow-wise, well, it's going to be quite a stripe here. We're talking all the way from northern Maine through Canada, through Cleveland, Syracuse, Indianapolis. Looks like some heavier snow possible for northern Arkansas, southern Missouri, and that stretches all the way to Amarillo. So, again, another spot where we're going to have a long strip of snowfall as that system takes off to the northeast. That's going to be, again, from tomorrow morning way down in Texas and then spreading all the way up to the northeast. So your next 2 days, again, pretty active. We will see storms starting to fire up in places like Dallas, but it'll be snow further north. And as you see, as it moves across the country to the north and east, we'll see that change. So overall, expect some wetter conditions. We've already seen that, and we're going to see it continue across, again, parts of the Gulf Coast states. Right now, the way things are looking out west, California, looking to stay like it's a bit of a break. I don't think they're going to be dry for that long. In the next week, Mitch, I would not be surprised if we started to see things change over a little bit. So going forward into time, I think we're not done in California. You can start asking me again in about a week. Is it raining in California? I might start saying yes again.
I laugh, and I shouldn't laugh, though, because that has been some terrible flooding there. I mean, but I do ask every day because it seems like it's been raining forever, and that's odd in California, and it looks like it's going to happen again. All I can hope is that things have dried out, those floodwaters have receded, so it's not that big of a problem. But,
yes, that is the hope, and that is the desire here. You got it.
All right, Gerard, thank you for that. Thanks for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation in your cable lineup. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-based, unbiased coverage.